Do you want to put a PDF's content into Word without turning it into a mess? In this video, we'll use the built-in method that brings the PDF into your document as editable content. We're starting with a normal Word document. Place the cursor where the PDF should go. Next, go to the Insert tab and look to the text group. Here, look for the Object button and click the small arrow right next to it. This opens the Object drop-down menu. In the menu, select the option Text from File. This is the option that pulls the PDF content into the document. Find the PDF you want to use. If you cannot see PDFs in the file picker, switch the file type display so all files are visible. To do this, click the file type selector right to the file name field and choose All Files. Now, select the PDF you want to insert. Click it once to select it, then click Insert. Word will warn that it is converting the PDF and that the result may not look exactly the same as the original. That is normal, so just click OK and let Word finish the conversion. Depending on the PDF, this can take a few seconds. Now the PDF content is inside the Word document as editable content. That means we can click into the text, delete lines, add words, and format it like regular Word content. If the PDF included images, those may come in as editable objects too. This is the key point. We did not just attach the PDF. We converted the PDF content into Word content. Here is the part that trips people up. The conversion is useful, but it is not always perfect. Some PDFs come in very clean. Others need cleanup. You may notice odd line breaks, spacing changes, tables that need resizing, and more issues. So be on the lookout for issues after inserting the PDF. If needed, fix styles, fix table properties, and lists. In our case, Word was able to convert the PDF relatively well. Here are the top things to look out for after inserting a PDF. First is headings that couldn't align their style to the documents. Second is paragraph spacing and paragraph indentation. And last but not least, table and image sizes as well as alignment. Keep in mind that PDFs are designed for fixed layout, and Word is designed for editing, so a little cleanup is normal. Also keep in mind that scanned PDFs may have a harder time converting to editable text. Still fixing formatting instead of writing? Styles, references, tables, manual fixes slow everything down. Until now. Meet OnStyle. OnStyle automatically identifies and corrects issues in Word documents. And when creating new documents, it helps by applying standard styles and formatting rules. Imagine fixing all your issues related to cross-referencing, linking, instructional or hidden text, heading numbering, table formatting, and so much more with just a few clicks. Try OnStyle for free now.